So when we're reading, just
Mm.
a quick piece of advice for you, Arum, and for the rest of you that want to get into reading but are intimidated, don't allow large texts to intimidate you. Don't jump straight into a novel. Take things slowly, take things gradually. For example, read articles that you're interested in and read short articles. A lot of times, news articles are short, they are concise, they are straight to the point, and you can take the article paragraph by paragraph and just focus on a few sentences at a time. And if there are words here that you don't recognize, simply Google the definition and try to apply that definition that you hear to its proper context. Read it over and over again until you understand. This is the nature of language learning. We have to be patient and we have to push through those more boring times. What's up with you, Arum? How you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you.
What are you up to today? What are you up to this weekend? You seem like you're in a good mood. You're excited for the weekend. You're excited for Friday.
Yeah, I am. After I started, I told you last time that I'm teaching kids, and after I started, they changed my class. I'm now teaching 4 or 5 years kids, only 3 days a week, so it's not that long. But I really appreciate the weekend, because I really feel it. Back then, when I was at university, when I was just having classes, that was just a weekend. But now, just having my whole day, no kids, no one screaming. I'm just I can do whatever I want. I don't mind sitting home. That's the best thing I can do. Just peace of mind. Have a peace of mind at home.
Now you have a different appreciation of what life means, and you have a deeper appreciation of breaks or weekends. Now you understand why people get so excited for a good day off. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?